So finally I'm back home in my room where I have access to all of my makeup, all of my outfits, and I can finally film my videos where I can fully express my ideas at home, finally comfortably. So for this video I'll be filming an everyday look. I don't usually wear makeup when I go out, but you know, when we go to wedding ceremonies or going out with friends. I don't have friends. I have a boyfriend though. Let's just get started. So the only palette I usually use for my everyday look would be this palette from CANMAKE. I will take the lightest shade, the second lightest shade, and put it on my eyelids. It's really subtle, you can't really see it, but it has shimmer, so it's a bit shiny on your eyes. Sorry, I'm nervous. And then I take the third lightest shade or the second darkest shade and put it on the outer corner of my eyelid, just to give it a little depth. And then I take the darkest shade of the palette and put it and blend it outwards of my outer eyelid. Surprisingly, for a drugstore product, this is actually quite pigmented. I've always been a fan of CANMAKE products. Actually, it's just because of their cute packaging. But even though it's just about the packaging, their products are quite good. They're pigmented. It does their job well. Yeah, so I mainly use only CANMAKE products most of the time. So then I blend it out using a blending brush. That's it for my eyeshadow, but then I would like to darken the outer part of my lower lash line from the outer corner, just to make my eyes look a bit cute. For me it's cute, so that's why I like to do it. And because my eyes are small, I guess, I like to make it look large by taking the second lightest shade from the palette and put it under my lower lash line. Like so. Just like that. I hope you can see it. And then I take the darkest shade and make a really fine line. It's a very subtle line under the very middle of my water bags. And lastly, I put the very shimmery shade from the middle part of the palette and put it in the middle of my eyes to make it look shinier and bigger. I'm so nervous! And then I'll move on to eyeliner. Let me have my moment of silence. I gotta focus. Okay, so that's it. My eyeliner. Well, that was fast, but I did it. Next is curl my eyelashes. And put on my mascara from Heroine makeup. This mascara is super waterproof, so you gotta buy the mascara remover from the same brand. And there, that's it. And then I put on highlighter on the inner corner of my eyes. I don't usually draw my eyebrows because I love my eyebrows the way it is, and it looks more natural to not draw it. Or it's just that I'm really bad at drawing eyebrows. But anyway, here's the final look. Here's the final look. Quite easy. And then we're moving on to my hijab tutorial.